What if the biggest reason you feel financially stuck is not low income, but money quietly leaking out every single month? Most people think better cash flow only comes from earning more, so they chase bigger salaries while ignoring hidden expenses, overdrafts, and poor money habits that quietly drain their finances every month. Improving cash flow is not always about working harder. Sometimes it is simply about managing money more wisely and keeping more what you already earn. In today's video, we are talking about ways to improve cash flow without earning more and simple strategies that can help you build stronger financial stability over time. Let's get into it. 1. Audit your fixed expenses carefully. One of the fastest ways to improve cash flow is checking where your money goes automatically every month. Most people focus on big expenses while ignoring small recurring payments that quietly drain their budget over time. Subscriptions are a common example. Streaming apps, memberships, software, cloud storage, and gaming services that often keep charging even when they're no longer used. Individually, they seem small, but together they can take a noticeable amount from your monthly income. When people review their bank statements closely, they often find forgotten or unused services. This simple check creates awareness, and that awareness alone can improve cash flow. The goal is not to cut comfort, but to remove what no longer adds value. Even a few small cancellations can free up extra money for savings, debt payments, or financial breathing room. 2. Negotiate bills instead of accepting every price. Many people assume monthly bills are fixed forever, but that is not always true. Internet bills, phone plans, insurance payments, and other services can often be reduced simply by asking. Companies know most customers never call to negotiate. Because of this, loyal customers sometimes end up paying more than new customers receiving promotional offers. That makes absolutely no sense financially, yet it happens constantly. A simple phone call can sometimes reduce monthly expenses immediately. Asking for lower plans, discounts, or current promotional offers may create savings without changing your lifestyle at all. Insurance is another area where people lose money unnecessarily. Many stay with the same provider for years without comparing prices elsewhere. Meanwhile, competitors may offer similar coverage for much lower monthly costs. Shopping around once a year for insurance, internet, or mobile services can improve cash flow more than people expect. Even small reductions matter because they repeat every single month. The important lesson is simple. Never assume every bill is permanent or non-negotiable. A few conversations can quietly save hundreds or even thousands over time. 3. High-interest debt quietly destroys cash flow. One of the biggest reasons people feel financially trapped is high-interest debt. Credit cards, expensive loans, and financing payments slowly consume income every month before money can be used for anything productive. The dangerous part is that minimum payments create the illusion of progress, while most of the money goes toward interest instead of reducing the actual balance. This keeps people stuck in long financial cycles. Improving cash flow often requires reducing the monthly pressure created by expensive debt. Lower interest means more money stays in your pocket instead of disappearing into payments. Another important point is avoiding emotional spending while paying down debt. Many people reduce debt temporarily, then recreate the same problem through impulsive habits later. Long-term improvement comes from changing financial behavior, not only restructuring numbers. Discipline matters more than shortcuts. Over time, lowering high-interest debt gives you something extremely valuable: control. Your money starts working for your future instead of paying for past decisions. 4. Improve your cash flow timing. Sometimes financial stress is not caused by lack of money, but poor timing between income and expenses. Bills arrive before paychecks, accounts run low temporarily, and overdraft fees start creating additional pressure. This happens to many people even when income is technically enough to cover expenses overall. The real issue is organization and timing. A smart solution is adjusting due dates whenever possible. Many companies allow customers to change payment dates for credit cards, utilities, loans, and subscriptions. Aligning major bills with payday creates smoother financial flow. Instead of constantly fighting low balances during certain weeks, money becomes easier to manage throughout the month. This also reduces overdraft risk significantly. Overdraft fees may look small individually, but repeated fees quietly damage cash flow over time. Another helpful habit is maintaining a small buffer amount inside your checking account. Even a few $100s can prevent unnecessary stress when unexpected timing issues happen. This buffer acts like financial breathing room. Instead of panicking over temporary account drops, you stay stable and avoid expensive penalties. Cash flow is not only about how much money you earn, it is also about how smoothly money moves through your system. 5. Stop treating tax refunds like bonus money. Many people get excited about large tax refunds, but most do not realize what that refund actually means. In many cases, it means too much money was removed from paychecks throughout the year. That money could have stayed inside monthly income instead of returning later as one large payment. While refunds feel rewarding emotionally, they sometimes create weaker monthly cash flow all year long. A smarter approach is balancing tax withholdings more accurately so monthly take-home pay improves. Instead of waiting for one yearly refund, you keep more money throughout the year when bills and expenses actually happen. The key is understanding how your money moves instead of blindly accepting every system by default. Even a moderate increase in monthly take-home pay can improve budgeting, savings consistency, and debt management over time. Small monthly improvements matter more than many people realize because recurring cash flow affects daily financial life directly. 6. Use savings accounts more strategically. Many people leave emergency savings sitting inside regular accounts that barely grow at all. While safety matters, completely ignoring better savings options also reduces financial efficiency. Some savings accounts now offer stronger returns while still keeping money accessible during emergencies. This allows cash to stay liquid while producing small passive growth. The important part is not chasing risky returns. Emergency money should stay safe and available. But there is no reason for idle money to remain completely unproductive either. When savings sit inside everyday accounts, people are more likely to treat them casually. Separation creates discipline naturally. Over time, even small interest growth adds extra support to your financial system. Combined with stronger spending habits, these small improvements become meaningful. Financial stability usually improves through many small, smart decisions working together consistently. 7. Build a small monthly buffer. Living with extremely tight account balances creates constant stress. One delayed payment, one unexpected expense, or one small mistake can instantly create financial chaos. This is why building a small checking account buffer is powerful. The goal is keeping a certain amount untouched inside your account at all times. Even a modest buffer creates breathing room. It reduces overdraft risk, prevents panic decisions, and gives flexibility during emergencies. Many people think they need huge savings before feeling financially stable. In reality, even small financial cushions improve confidence dramatically. This buffer also changes decision-making psychologically. When every dollar feels critical, people often make emotional choices from fear and pressure. The process takes time, especially for people already struggling financially. But slowly building even a few $100s of breathing room can change the entire feeling of managing money. Financial stability is not only about large wealth. Sometimes it starts with creating enough space to stop living in constant financial panic. 8. Focus on systems instead of motivation. One of the biggest money mistakes is relying on motivation. People promise to save more, spend less, or manage better next month. But motivation changes quickly with stress, emotions, and daily pressure. Real cash flow improvement comes from systems, not feelings. Things like automatic transfers, simple budgets, bill reminders, spending limits, and expense tracking create consistency without daily effort. This is why financially stable people look organized. They rely on systems that prevent mistakes before they happen. Even small routines like monthly expense checks or planning bills ahead can steadily improve cash flow. Over time, these systems reduce financial stress and make money management feel easier and more predictable. And there you have it. Ways to improve cash flow without earning more. Improving your financial life is not always about earning more. Sometimes small changes in spending, budgeting, and money management create the biggest long-term difference. Over time, these habits build stronger stability, better control, and less financial stress. The goal is simple. Keep more what you already earn and use it more intentionally. Once it starts happening consistently, your financial situation slowly begins to change. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.